Once upon a time, there was a clever monkey who lived on a big, tall tree by the river. This tree was full of delicious, juicy fruits. The monkey loved to eat the fruits every day and lived a happy life. One day, a crocodile came to the riverbank near the tree. The monkey saw him and decided to be friendly. "Hello, crocodile. Would you like some fruits from my tree?" he called out. The crocodile was hungry, so he happily agreed. The monkey threw down some fruits, and the crocodile enjoyed them. The next day, the crocodile came back, and the monkey again offered him some fruits. This continued for many days, and soon the monkey and the crocodile became good friends. They would talk for hours about the river, the forest, and their lives. One day, the crocodile said, "Monkey, these fruits are so tasty. I told my wife about them, and she wants to taste them too. Can I take some for her?" The monkey replied, "Of course, take as many as you like." The crocodile took the fruits to his wife, but she had a different idea. She said, "If these fruits are so sweet, imagine how delicious the monkey's heart must be. I want to eat the monkey's heart." The crocodile was shocked. He didn't want to hurt his friend, but his wife insisted. So he went back to the monkey and said, "Dear monkey, my wife loved the fruits so much. She wants to meet you. Will you come with me to our home on the other side of the river?" The monkey agreed, and the crocodile carried him on his back across the river. But halfway across, the crocodile couldn't keep the secret any longer. He said, "Monkey, my wife actually wants to eat your heart." The clever monkey was surprised but stayed calm. He quickly thought of a plan. He said, "Oh, why didn't you tell me earlier? I left my heart on the tree. Let's go back and get it." The crocodile believed the monkey and turned back. As soon as they reached the riverbank, the monkey jumped off and climbed to the top of the tree. He shouted, "I fooled you, crocodile! You can't have my heart, and our friendship is over. Goodbye." The crocodile realized his mistake and felt ashamed. He returned home, knowing that he had lost a good friend because of his and his wife's greed. So, friends, what did we learn from today's story? Never betray your friends. True friendship is more valuable than any greed or desire.